Hey everyone, welcome to Cricut Time. If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the offset feature in Cricut Design Space. This is a handy tool for making a normal outline around writing or shapes, but today I'll show you how to use it to combine writing and an image together. I'll be using two different colors of vinyl, and I don't want them to overlap. So what I'm going to do is use the offset feature to cut out part of the picture for the writing to fit in nicely. For this video, I already have my basic design ready to go, but I'll show you how to cut out part of the sun for the writing. Let's start by selecting all of the writing in this design, and then click Offset on the top menu. I want the outline to be thick enough that there are no little holes between the words. Now, this has made a new layer. I'll just change the color to white so you can see what the goal is. We are going to cut this section out of the sun so the vinyl isn't layered on top of each other for a cleaner look. Over on the right menu, we are going to select the sun layer and the outline layer. Then press Slice. This will cut the outline shape out of the sun shape. Now that the pieces have been cut, we can just go through and delete the middle parts that we don't need. This design is done and ready to go. The only thing I need to do is just cut it out and stick it on my Frisbee. Here is the finished product, and it's ready for some fun in the sun. Thanks for joining me today, and if you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.